Hi, I'm Marisha Criswell, and I'll just go right into the discussion board questions. Um, what fieldwork experience that I have? I've been an aide in a preschool classroom for a number of years, and I've done some substitute teaching in that. My professional goals is to get my teaching credential in a multi-subject here at Brandman. And my experience with math and science and technology, science is okay. I enjoy certain types of sciences, mostly like biology. Um, and like anatomy, I find that stuff really fascinating, but chemistry and some of that other stuff goes right over my head and I have no clue. And technology, I can do like fairly well. I'm not the most tech savvy person out there, but I can handle it. So the second question is, what is an integrated approach to curriculum in your own words? I said it's when you take two different subjects and you mesh them together in a cohesive lesson. And the other question is, how is it developmentally appropriate? And well, it's developmentally appropriate because you're taking two subjects that work really well with one another, like a math and science. Anytime there's science, there's always math involved, or vice versa. And you can also do that with like reading and writing. And so it's developmentally appropriate because you have these two subjects that work so well together, and you can put them into one lesson or like subject. The other question is, how does integrative approach teach science and math in given activity? Well, once again, it puts these two subjects that work so well together, and you can put it into one lesson. And something that I did was we were doing a life cycle of a butterfly. One of my activities was a butterfly jar. And they had a piece of paper that had like a jar on the paper, and they had a roll of dice, and then they had to count the dots that were on the die, and then that's how many butterflies they got to put in their jar. So it encouraged counting and problem solving, which is all math skills, and then the life cycle of the butterfly is based off of a science skill, which is like biology. So there's a whole bunch of other ones. Like this week, our bubble play is another good one. You're talking about mixtures, which I guess would kind of go into chemistry. Once again, I don't know. I did not do very good in chemistry. And then the math part, they're kind of trying to problem solve. Like when I did the bubble thing, I thought it'd be fun to measure how many, as big bubbles as I could get, and so that would go under the math, and once again it's a science activity. So they work really well together, and there's so many subjects that work well together. So thank you.